بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
حميم.
Ha-Mim.
والكتاب المبين.
By the clear book.
إنا أنزلناه في ليلة مباركة إنا كنا منذرين.
Indeed, we sent it down during a blessed night. Indeed, we were to warn mankind.
فيها يفرق كل أمر حكيم.
On that night is made distinct every precise matter.
أمرا من عندنا إنا كنا مرسلين.
Every matter proceeding from us. Indeed, we were to send a messenger.
رحمة من ربك إنه هو السميع العليم.
As mercy from your Lord. Indeed, He is the hearing, the knowing.
رب السماوات والأرض وما بينهما إن كنتم موقنين.
Lord of the heavens and the earth and that between them, if you would be certain.
لا إله إلا هو يحيي ويميت ربكم ورب آبائكم الأولين.
There is no deity except Him. He gives life and causes death. He is your Lord and the Lord of your first forefathers.
بل هم في شك يلعبون.
But they are in doubt, amusing themselves.
فارتقب يوم تأتي السماء بدخان مبين.
Then watch for the day when the sky will bring a visible smoke.
يغشى الناس هذا عذاب أليم.
Covering the people. This is a painful torment.
ربنا اكشف عنا العذاب إنا مؤمنون.
They will say, Our Lord, remove from us the torment. Indeed, we are believers.
أنى لهم الذكرى وقد جاءهم رسول مبين.
How will there be for them a reminder at that time? And there had come to them a clear messenger.
ثم تولوا عنه وقالوا معلم مجنون.
Then they turned away from him and said, He was taught and is a madman.
إنا كاشف العذاب قليلا إنكم عائدون.
Indeed, we will remove the torment for a little. Indeed, you disbelievers will return to disbelief.
يوم نبطش البطشة الكبرى إنا منتقمون.
The day we will strike with the greatest assault. Indeed, we will take retribution.
ولقد فتنا قبلهم قوم فرعون وجاءهم رسول كريم.
And we had already tried before them the people of Pharaoh, and there came to them a noble messenger.
أن أدوا إلي عباد الله إني لكم رسول أمين
saying, Render to me the servants of Allah. Indeed, I am to you a trustworthy messenger.
وألا تعلوا على الله إني آتيكم بسلطان مبين.
And saying, Be not haughty with Allah. Indeed, I have come to you with clear authority.
وإني عذت بربي وربكم أن ترجمون.
And indeed, I have sought refuge in my Lord and your Lord, lest you stone me.
وإن لم تؤمنوا لي فاعتزلون.
But if you do not believe me, then leave me alone.
فدعا ربه أن هؤلاء قوم مجرمون.
And finally he called to his Lord that these were a criminal people.
فأسر بعبادي ليلا إنكم متبعون.
Allah said, Then set out with my servants by night. Indeed, you are to be pursued.
واترك البحر رهوا إنهم جند مغرقون.
And leave the sea in stillness. Indeed, they are an army to be drowned.
كم تركوا من جنات وعيون.
How much they left behind of gardens and springs.
وزروع ومقام كريم.
And crops and noble sites.
ونعمة كانوا فيها فاكهين.
And comfort wherein they were amused.
كذلك وأورثناها قوما آخرين.
Thus, and we caused to inherit it another people.
فما بكت عليهم السماء والأرض وما كانوا منظرين.
And the heaven and earth wept not for them, nor were they reprieved.
ولقد نجينا بني إسرائيل من العذاب المهين.
And we certainly saved the children of Israel from the humiliating torment.
من فرعون إنه كان عاليا من المسرفين.
From Pharaoh, indeed he was a haughty one among the transgressors.
ولقد اخترناهم على علم على العالمين.
And we certainly chose them by knowledge over all the worlds.
وآتيناهم من الآيات ما فيه بلاء مبين.
And we gave them of signs that in which there was a clear trial.
إن هؤلاء ليقولون.
Indeed, these disbelievers are saying,
إن هي إلا موتتنا الأولى وما نحن بمنشرين.
There is not but our first death, and we will not be resurrected.
فأتوا بآبائنا إن كنتم صادقين.
Then bring back our forefathers, if you should be truthful.
أهم خير أم قوم تبع والذين من قبلهم أهلكناهم إنهم كانوا مجرمين.
Are they better, or the people of Tubba and those before them? We destroyed them, for indeed they were criminals.
وما خلقنا السماوات والأرض وما بينهما لاعبين.
And we did not create the heavens and earth and that between them in play.
ما خلقناهما إلا بالحق ولكن أكثرهم لا يعلمون.
We did not create them except in truth, but most of them do not know.
إن يوم الفصل ميقاتهم أجمعين.
Indeed, the day of judgment is the appointed time for them all.
يوم لا يغني مولى عن مولى شيئا ولا هم ينصرون.
The day when no relation will avail a relation at all, nor will they be helped.
إلا من رحم الله إنه هو العزيز الرحيم.
Except those believers on whom Allah has mercy. Indeed, He is the exalted in might, the merciful.
إن شجرة الزقوم.
Indeed, the tree of Zakum
طعام الأثيم.
is food for the sinful.
كالمهل يغلي في البطون.
Like murky oil, it boils within bellies.
كغلي الحميم.
Like the boiling of scalding water.
خذوه فاعتلوه إلى سواء الجحيم.
It will be commanded, seize him and drag him into the midst of the hellfire.
ثم صبوا فوق رأسه من عذاب الحميم.
Then pour over his head from the torment of scalding water.
ذق إنك أنت العزيز الكريم.
It will be said, taste. Indeed, you are the honored, the noble.
إن هذا ما كنتم به تمترون.
Indeed, this is what you used to dispute.
إن المتقين في مقام أمين.
Indeed, the righteous will be in a secure place.
في جنات وعيون.
Within gardens and springs.
يلبسون من سندس واستبرق متقابلين.
Wearing garments of fine silk and brocade facing each other.
كذلك وزوجناهم بحور عين.
Thus, and we will marry them to fair women with large, beautiful eyes.
يدعون فيها بكل فاكهة آمنين.
They will call therein for every kind of fruit, safe and secure.
لا يذوقون فيها الموت إلا الموتة الأولى ووقاهم عذاب الجحيم.
They will not taste death therein except the first death, and He will have protected them from the punishment of hellfire.
فضلا من ربك ذلك هو الفوز العظيم.
As bounty from your Lord. That is what is the great attainment.
فإنما يسرناه بلسانك لعلهم يتذكرون.
And indeed, we have eased the Quran in your tongue that they might be reminded.
فارتقب إنهم مرتقبون.
So watch, O Muhammad, indeed they are watching for your end.